Phrasal verbs with keep. Fill in the blanks quiz. Fill in the blanks using the correct phrasal verb with keep. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. She put the chocolate on the top shelf to blank the children. Is it A, keep away, B, keep in with, C, keep up, or D, keep to? The correct answer is A, keep away. She put the chocolate on the top shelf to keep away the children. He struggled to blank the rest of the group during the hike. Is it A, keep back, B, keep up, C, keep up with, or D, keep out? The correct answer is C, keep up with. He struggled to keep up with the rest of the group during the hike. She tried to blank her anger, but it showed on her face. Is it A, keeps in, B, keep in, C, keep up, or D, kept on? The correct answer is B, keep in. She tried to keep in her anger, but it showed on her face. They tried to blank the noise, blank, so they wouldn't disturb the neighbours. Is it A, keep on, B, keep at, C, keep up, or D, keep down? The correct answer is D, keep down. They tried to keep the noise down so they wouldn't disturb the neighbours. And finally, they asked everyone to blank the grass. Is it A, keeps off, B, keep off, C, kept off, or D, keep around? The correct answer is B, keep off. They asked everyone to keep off the grass. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more quizzes.